Penjim JMFC has summoned former Health Minister Vishwajeet Rane and his wife Divya Rane in connection with the 2007 threat to kill case. The matter for the last few years was pending before the Supreme Court because I had challenged the order of the High Court which had allowed the charge sheet against Vishwajeet Rane to be quashed. So the High Court order was quashed by the Supreme Court in January this year, and the Supreme Court directed that the case against Vishwajeet Rane be revived and that he face the trial before the JMFC. So now the JMFC has summoned Vishwajeet Rane and his wife Divya to appear in court on the 20th of March at 10 o'clock in connection with this case. Ironically, Section 506, which is threat to kill, was made cognizable by then Chief Minister Pratap Singh Rane in the year 1973. And then in 2007, when Vishwajeet Rane was booked under the same section, the government moved and through a overnight order made the offence under 506 non-cognizable. So now the Supreme Court has decided the matter. It was pending before the Supreme Court for the last 8 years, and finally the truth has prevailed, and the Supreme Court has held in January this year in a detailed judgment that the High Court was wrong in quashing the charge sheet against Vishwajeet Rane, and that Vishwajeet Rane should face trial. So now the court will proceed with the matter in accordance with law.